Hi guys, let's make Gobi Manchurian today. It's a popular appetizer and I'm sure this delightful dish will make your family wanting for more. So let's get started and make this delicious recipe. Cut cauliflower in small florets, that is small bite-sized pieces. Wash florets in salt water to remove the impurities. Add 3 tablespoons of cornflour into the florets. Season with red chilli powder, salt and black pepper. This step helps in making it crispy. In a large bowl, add equal quantities of flour and cornflour. Add ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder. Mix while adding water little by little and make a lump-free semi-thick paste. Now using hands, mix cauliflower florets well, ensuring that the batter coats it evenly. Heat oil on medium heat and fry coated florets in small quantities. To make it crisper, make sure to fry it on medium heat till it's golden brown. Cauliflower florets look perfect and it has a nice golden brown color too. So keep it aside. To make sauce, heat wok on high heat. Once it's hot, add oil, add garlic, and when it is fragrant, add ginger and green chillies. Once golden brown, add onions and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, red chilli powder and give it a good mix. Then add the reserved marinade to thicken the sauce. Reduce heat, add water little by little. This step ensures smoother sauce in texture. Add Manchurian seasoning if liked. This step is totally optional. Season sauce with black pepper and salt to taste. Add ketchup. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. This will emulsify our sauce very well. Add coriander and cauliflower florets. Mix it well so that the sauce covers florets evenly. Wow, this looks so amazing and florets are very crispy and well coated. Gobi Manchurian is ready. Serve it hot and garnish with bok choy leaves, spring onions and coriander. Enjoy this delicious and crispy Gobi Manchurian as a perfect starter or a side for dinner parties. If you have liked this video, please like, share and hit the subscribe button too. It's absolutely free. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.